Now we discuss chemical properties of haloalkane or alkyl halide. Very first, reduction. Haloalkane on reduction gives alkane Rx plus 2H given by nickel H and X, HX comes out and we obtain RH. Alkane. Now we discuss chemical properties number 2. Reaction with aqueous KOH or alkaline hydrolysis. Here we write haloalkane Rx plus aqueous KOH KOH. Replacement reaction takes place. This negative part is substituted by another negative part. K replace X and formation of alcohol takes place. C2H5Br bromoethane reacts with potassium hydroxide, then formation of C2H5OH and KBr takes place, alcohol. First reduction, haloalkane on reduction gives alkane. Second, alkyl hydrolysis, on alkyl hydrolysis it gives alcohol. Third, reaction with alcoholic KOH, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. जब भी हम अल्कोहल की बात करते हैं, शराब की बात करते हैं, घर में सुख शांति नष्ट होती है, गरीबी आती है. जहां जहां भी हम अल्कलाइन KOH का इस्तेमाल करते हैं वहां अल्कोहल बनता है. लेकिन जहां जब भी हम अल्कोहलिक KOH का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अनसैचुरेशन आता है, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एल्कीन टेक्स प्लेस. This reaction is also known as beta elimination. This reaction is also known as beta elimination or dehydrohalogenation. D means removal, हाइड्रो मीन्स हाइड्रोजन का, हेलो मीन्स हेलोजन का. तो यहां पर हाइड्रोजन और हेलोजन साथ साथ निकलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, here we take ethyl bromide plus KOH You have to mention alcoholic. Alcoholic KOH. Here, functional group alpha carbon, this is known as beta carbon. From beta carbon, elimination of hydrogen takes place, and from alpha carbon, elimination of halogen takes place. काकाजी का बिहार, यहाँ से H, यहाँ से OH, H2O, and formation of CH2 double bond CH2 plus KBr plus H2O. In this reaction, we have to obey Sergev rules also. Questions in competitive exam asked from Sergev rules. This is known as beta elimination or dehydrogenation or reaction with alcoholic KOH. Now, fourth, Williamson synthesis. छोटे बच्चे अपनी बात मनवाने के लिए सबसे बड़ा हथियार उनके पास क्या होता है? बोलिए। रोना। हाँ, करेक्ट, रोना। वो रोते हैं, अपनी हर बात मना लेते हैं, रोना। सोडियम अल्कोक्साइड इज नोन एज रोना। रोना, कभी नहीं रोना। प्लस हेलो एल्केन RX, यहां से NX बाहर और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ROR, ether takes place. When sodium alkoxide reacts with haloalkane, then formation of ether takes place. This is the fourth property. Fifth, reaction with KCN, potassium cyanide. Haloalkane RX reacts with potassium cyanide, KCN. Then here two products are obtained. One is major and second is minor. The major product is alkyl cyanide RCN. When potassium is present, then this alkyl group combines with carbon atom. CN is ambidentate ligand, means it can link with the help of two atoms, either carbon or nitrogen atom. In this case, formation of covalent compound is preferred. Therefore, we obtain RCN as a major product and RNC as a minor product. So, RCN is a major product and RNC is a minor product. Example, when C2H5Br reacts with KCN, then formation of C2H5CN plus KBr takes place. Now, reaction with silver cyanide. AgCN. When haloalkane reacts with silver cyanide, then formation of alkyl isocyanate takes place. R single bond and double bond, one covalent bond C, R and C. Formation of alkyl isocyanate takes place as a major product and alkyl cyanide as a minor product. Silver, when leaves its position, it forms isocyanate. It prefers the formation of ionic compound plus AgX. Example, ethyl bromide when reacts with silver cyanide, then formation of ethyl isocyanate takes place.